We specialize in tub and tile refinishing for our apartment customers. We also do kitchen countertops. Our process enables you to take an old ugly tub and make it look as close as it can possibly get to brand new, and do that in one day. So we take your old bathtubs, countertops, tile, and give them new life by putting a new coating on top of them. Typically, refinishing saves about 70 to 90% over replacement. For property management, that's big savings, and not only savings in cost, but also the fact that we can turn our product over in one day. A common problem that apartments see is that they have cracking on the bottom of their tubs because they haven't been properly supported during the construction process. And we have a technique where we can go in and pump foam, supporting foam back up under there, and then repair the crack on top of the tub. And I want to talk about our amazing 3-year warranty that we have for our apartment customers, and the coatings and processes that make us the best choice for your refinishing needs. If you find yourself having to refinish your tubs, tile, and countertop every time a tenant moves out, you're using the wrong refinishing contractor. If you're not happy with your current refinishing contractor, fire them and hire us. We're proud to have served the multifamily industry for over 20 years, and we're really excited about this amazing 3-year warranty we can offer. Give us a call at 918-995-4660 in the Oklahoma area. If you're in Arkansas, give us a call on 501-920-9326.